Hi again, everyone. So, this week we're going to be looking to finish up our look here at geometry, first in section 10.4, by talking about more of the structures we have in two dimensions in terms of areas and circumferences. So we're looking at the areas of some of our basic shapes, things like different forms of quadrilaterals, triangles, and so on. Then we're going to talk about things that go on with circles in terms of the perimeter equivalent circumference, as well as areas of circles. So you're going to be seeing that fun Greek letter pi again in here. Then, in section 10.5, we're going to be taking our ideas of two dimensions and spreading them out to talk about things in three dimensions. We're going to be looking at volumes and surface areas. So, a lot of basic shapes here, things like rectangular prisms, cones, spheres, cylinders, in terms of both volume and, where applicable, where reasonable, surface area. Then we'll finish off what we have here with section 10.6. We're going to be going back to the triangle. We're going to be finishing off kind of where we started to look at right triangle trigonometry, basics of there with sine, cosine, and tangent in terms of what our ratios are, a little bit about where they come from, and how we can use some of these ratios, some of these ideas here in the real world. Then, for this week, because we are finishing up, we've got a worksheet here like normal due Friday, and then next week we have deadlines for Chapter 10 in MyLab. So, expect to hear from me soon about our third exam, and take a look at that pre-assessment when you're done with the week to start getting prepared for that, and let me know if you feel you need anything in particular. But let's get started here so we can jump into our back half of Chapter 10.